Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. I'm also fine. Learn how to start page numbering from page 2 using Roman numerals like 1, 2, 3 in Microsoft Word. This step-by-step tutorial shows you how to skip numbering on the first page and apply Roman numeral numbering to the rest of your document while keeping your layout clean and professional. So let's get started. You can see here a document. Now this is the assignment for my college. Now you can see now added the number of page. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the page number drop down menu and we can see here many format like top of page, bottom of page, page margin, current position. You can add set. Now I am select the bottom of page and select the last of this and zoom out the document. We can see here the English number, but we need the Roman numerals. Go to the design menu, click the page number option and choose formatting page. Then click the drop down menu and here the Roman numerals. Now I select this. Click OK. Then close the header and footer. Then check the all page. We can see we added the page number, but we apply the page number on the page 2. Now I separate the page 1 to another page. Go to the last of the page 1, then go to the layout menu, click the break drop down menu, choose next page. Then double click on the footer or page number. We can see here the footer first page is section 1 and the second page is section 2. Now I go to the second page. Then go to the design menu, click turn off the link to previous. Then remove the page number on the first page. But we can see not remove the page number on another page. Then close the header and footer. Then check the all page. First page not available and the second page start the page number on page 2. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.